In this Figma tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the color. So let's jump right into this video without wasting any second. So what you have to do, let's click on here, text, press T as well, add text, and now here we have the text, and now let's change excuse me, let's change actually the font. We can change the font from here. Let's use this one. And now to change these the color, we can go to fill here. You see fill here. You can actually remove this fill, so we actually remove the color, but we can also go here, back fill, and click on here on this white and select different color here. So now we have a different color, any color you want. You can even add a gradient. Can add a gradient. Changed here in the middle, add a different color. Here you can delete this one, press delete, select, and then you can press delete. You can even add a picture inside this text. Now you can click here and choose a picture from your machine and add a picture here. You can add a video, and you can also use the pickup color, so you can pick any color you want. You also have library here, but now maybe you like to add a stroke, so you have to click on this plus here. Now you can choose the color for the stroke, and you can increase the stroke from here. You just have to click and then hold, and actually not hold but click, and then just drag. So you add a stroke. You can add a stroke outside, inside, or center. Outside, inside, or center. You can add some effects. Maybe you like to add some drop shadow, inner shadow. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.